Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and we're here to look at these bad boys today. They are the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. So I want to say thank you to Huawei for actually supplying these for the video today. And I'm just going to show you what you can get inside the box, give you a quick overview of the app, and then tell you what I think. So I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet if I can. Let's get into it really quickly. Just going to take it out of the box itself. Now there are three different colours. There is a silver frost, the ceramic white, and there's also a black version. I forget what the black one's actually called. It's carbon black. So yeah, happy days. Alright then, what are we getting inside this box? Dun, dun, dun. We're getting a USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable. Nice and nice. It looks like it's a decent size as well. We're also getting the quick start guide and the safety information. Yeah. Don't know, it's safety. And then we're getting the little ear tips. Let's have a quick look at the ear tips. Now you get small, medium and large. The ones that come on are medium, but I've actually switched them out and I've actually put the small ones on there. And they still open up like that. So again, these are now the medium and they're the large. Cool. Happy days, happy days. Let's have a quick look around the actual box, the actual case itself. So you've got USB Type-C charging. A little LED indicator just there, so when it goes green it means it's fully charged. On the right side it's got a little button which I'm going to show you what that's for just in a moment or two. Nothing at the top and nothing at the side. We're then getting the nice little mirror effect Huawei logo there. Get it to focus for us. There we go. Look at that. It's got my fingerprints all over it. Yeah, and then nothing on the front. It's just super clean. Now, obviously, you've seen similar cases to this from other manufacturers, and I was surprised how strong the magnet is in this. I wasn't going to speak about it in this video, but just watch this. So you try and open it, and I mean, seriously, I am flicking my hand as hard as I can. That ain't budging. I was like, damn, that's some impressive magnets. So I don't know if you can hear it when it closes. Yeah, that is one of the best features of these kind of cases for me. If you've seen the FreeBuds 3, it's like in a circular shape. This is more like a pebble kind of one. And I must say, I like it. You know, it's nice and compact, nice and small. Yeah, it does look like something else, but who really cares? So I'm just actually going to show you how you actually pair it with the phone. So the phone I've got here is the Huawei, obviously the P40 Pro Plus. I'm actually just going to go into the Bluetooth. And as you can see here, it's not connected. I have disconnected it from the phone, so it's not connected at all. So to sync it up, very straightforward. It's actually really easy. You open the case, and you'll see it's got like a little green indicator. So that button I was talking about, press the button in, it'll start going white and blue. It's now in pairing mode. So if we now go back to the actual phone, as you can see here, it's now telling us the FreeBuds Pro, do I want to connect? Yep, I want to connect. Boom. Happy days. Do I want to set it up? So yeah, I'll click set up. And then I should take into here. And this is basically in regards to the information. So do you want to allow it to be able to do telephone calls, just music or contact sharing? We've then got the firmware upgrade and then in regards to update over Wi-Fi. But just really quickly, you want to download what's called the AI Life, which is from Huawei. And when you load this up, you probably see here, it's got the FreeBuds Pro. So it's the SJP FreeBuds Pro. So I tap into it. So as you can see here, it's telling me what the battery life is. So the actual earphones are 100%, 9% on the case, so I need to charge that soon. This is where you can actually change the noise cancellation. So you can have it noise cancelling on, off, or you can have awareness, which is similar to transparency, which most people will know of. You then got the tip fit test. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Just don't use it. I used all three different ear tips, and every one of them said it was perfect, and it wasn't. So ignore that. Use whatever feels comfortable. We've then got the wear detection. What that is let's say you're listening to some music and you decide to take one out of your ear. It pauses the music. Same with videos, etc. You stick it back in, it resumes it straight away. That is one of the best features. I love that feature. And then we get the shortcuts. So I'm just going to go through these really quickly. Let's actually tell you what, let's show you that first. So it's actually got like a little pinch feature. So on the earphone, probably see here, just about here, all you need to do is pinch it like here. Now, the crazy thing is when you touch it now and try and pinch it, nothing happens. You're like, okay, does it not work? When you stick it in your ear, then start pinching it, I don't know if it's a sound or if it's like a vibration. It feels like a vibration, but I think it's a little sound, and it feels like a little button. It is so surreal. Seriously, I was like, wow. Anyway, hopefully you can get to see it really quickly. So you pinch it once, you can answer and end a telephone call, pause your music, reject a call if you pinch it twice, or play the next song. And then 3 times you can play the previous song. If you pinch and hold, this is where you can actually change the noise cancellation. So an example, let's say you stick it in your ear. Yep, let's say that's in my ear, and it's off. If I pinch and hold it, it'll actually turn the noise cancellation on. If I want to turn it off, I'll go to the awareness, hold it again, and it cycles through the modes. So again, you don't need to use this feature here. It's built into the actual headset. And again, it works on iPhone, works on Android, whether it be a Huawei device or another Android phone. So if you are watching this video thinking, I'd like to try them, but I'm an iPhone user, then don't worry, you don't have to use a Huawei phone. Obviously, it'd be great if you did, but obviously it pairs up a lot nicer with regards to carrying, but it still works perfectly on other devices. Anyway, back to the shortcuts really quickly. And we've got the swiping. So on the side, just here, so again, let's say that's in my ear roll. Yep. And then you swipe up and down here, it puts the volume up and down. And that's pretty much it for the software. Again, you don't need to use this software, but if you do need to have a refresher and using the actual app, then it tells you in regards to what you can do there. Now, if you've already paired it once and you are using a Huawei device, then all you do in future, I love this, is you open it and it pops up, or it should pop up, telling me, yep, now connected, click OK, and away we go. How cool is that? Okay, so I've talked about with regards to the software, how they look, etc., because they look lovely. I think, I love this stem design. I actually like that big chunky kind of stem on it. I think it looks really, really cool. It looks different than what the standard ones out there that are kind of doing now. But if they look good, the software looks good, but what if they're not very good in terms of the sound quality? How do they sound? I was blown away when I got these. Now, I'm not an audiophile. I'm not going to say, I know the difference between the best audio quality in the world and the worst audio quality in the world. But what I do know is what I like. And I've used on a regular basis the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and I thought they were great. Never had a problem with them. Put them in my ears, job done, happy days. I then stuck these in my ears. And at first I was like, they feel a little different because obviously the shape of them. I thought, I need to get used to them. It took me a couple of hours to get used to the way they feel. But the first thing I noticed as soon as I stuck them in my ears and I turned the audio on was they just sounded absolutely amazing. Again, not an audiophile, so somebody that's an audiophile might say, yeah, they're not too bad, they're this, they're that. But I was just blown away. I then tested loads of different kind of songs. I've got a very varied selection of music I like. I like stuff from pop to rock to hardcore metal, you name it. I like a bit of myself, a bit of Motown, a bit of country. So I like all types. And I've tested every type of this. And seriously, it sounds amazing every single time. The battery life. Now, the actual battery life itself, it's rated, from what I remember, I think it's 4 hours music playback when you've got the noise cancellation turned on, and it's around 7 hours when it's turned off. I was probably getting just under that, probably maybe 3.5, maybe 3 hours with the noise cancellation turned on. When you turn it off, probably around the 5 to 6 hours mark. So slightly below, obviously, what this quoted. But hey, I'm used to that. It's what we normally get. Now, one little elephant in the room for me personally was they charge relatively fast, 6 watts, but it's only a small battery via the USB. But the actual wireless charging is only 2 watts. Not the greatest, but if you're just going to be kind of sticking it on somewhere overnight, it's going to work. But I would have liked it to be, generally faster than 2 watts. I mean, apart from the slow wireless charging, I can't really think of anything negative to say about them. But yeah, that's it. That's been my unboxing, my overview of some of the software, and my review. Do I recommend them? They get a certified yes from me. Highly recommend them, especially for the price versus other competitors. You are getting quite a lot for your money with regards to these. And if you want to pick some up, I'll put some links down below. And once again, thank you to Huawei for supplying me for the video. But again, it doesn't change my views. If I thought it was crap, I'd say it was crap. But in this case, I actually really like them. They're my new, I use these every single day now. So yeah, if that tells you anything. Anyway, people, if you have any questions with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. Yep, you can hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Go on, tickle, and go on, subscribe. It's free. Go on, you know you want to. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, if you don't see me, you'll see these puppies, and you'll hear this blooming voice in my next video. Cheers, everyone.